Victoria International, information Kilo, weather at 2100 Zulu, wind 330 at 7, visibility 20, few clouds at 2200.
Shell 25, crossing 332 Echo and Sierra to the Arsenal.
Crossing 32 Echo, Sierra to the
Whiskey Lima Yankee, you ready?
Whiskey Lima Yankee is ready, 27 at Whiskey.
Whiskey Lima Yankee, clear takeoff 27 from Whiskey.
Clear for takeoff, 27 from Whiskey.
Sleep 425, flight out of 140. Transfer 145, Get about the Lima 7 Lima, 023. Get a 1 for contact, 118.4. Martin 055, still left heading 240 now.
Heading 240 now, Martin 055.
Land 27, Whiskey Lima Yankee. Ladies and gentlemen, it's currently minus 9 degrees outside. We are at flight level 33714. We will be descending approximately 20,000 feet per minute for our descent into Lillooet, arriving in about 14 minutes. We'll be serving breakfast about halfway through the descent. Today we have gluten-free almond milk smoothies as our first option, or KFC for our second option.